Hi guys, welcome back to Mad About Designs. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to design this pipe elbow using Autodesk Fusion 360. So without wasting time, let's get into it. First, create a new design by going to File and select New Design. Go to Create Sketch, select this top plane. Select line and draw one line from here to here and another from here to here. Press OK. Select these two lines and make them equal. Go to Sketch Dimensions. Select this line and set the dimension as 3 cm. Go to Fillet and select this corner and set the fillet as 1.5 cm. Now go to Create and select the pipe option. Select this line. Set the section size as 2.8 cm and the section thickness as 0.5 cm. Make it hollow. Press OK. Now go to Create Sketch and select this plane. Draw one circle, center diameter circle, and set the diameter as 3.4 cm. Stop sketch, go to Extrude and select this profile. Drag it inward up to minus 0.5 cm. Make sure the operation is selected as join and press OK. We will do the same thing here. So select this plane, create sketch, draw circle of 3.4 cm. Stop sketch, go to Extrude and extrude inward up to minus 0.5 cm. Operation join. Now I want to create one thread here and here. So go to Create and select the option Thread. Select this profile. I don't want this thread to be full length. I want up to a distance 1 cm. And the designation is M18 by 2. That is, the size of the thread is 18 millimeter and the pitch is 2 millimeter. Make it model and the direction is right hand. Press OK. Now I will do the same thing here. So go to Create, select Thread, select this profile, not full length, up to 1 cm, and the designation is first select the size up to 18 millimeter and designation M18 by 2, and this time the direction will be left hand. Press OK. We forgot to do one thing, make it model and press OK. So here is our pipe elbow ready. Now assign some colors to it. Press A for appearance, go to Paint, Metallic, and choose the black metallic color. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.